It was August of 1896, and they found it. Local miners in the Klondike region of Canada, tucked in the far northwest near Alaska, struck gold. News broke, and men from the far reaches of Canada and the United States stampeded their way to the promise of prosperity, riches, and the trappings that came with the good life. A few prospectors became very wealthy, but most left worse off than they came, and many died. We know this as the Klondike Gold Rush, and memories of this time can be experienced in the town of Dawson City, Yukon. In fact, my hometown of Yellowknife, Northwest Territories, the territory next door to the Yukon, is also a gold rush town. But the prospecting and prosperity of Yellowknife, although less popular, far outlasted that of the Klondike Gold Rush. Yellowknife's gold industry was so abundant that a local writer once wrote that Yellowknife is a city where the gold is paved with streets. I can even remember as a kid prospecting for gold myself in the lichen-laden rocks surrounding the Great Slave Lake, though I never found much more than fool's gold. So why am I sharing this story with you? When news breaks of a new trend, a profitable investment, a growing industry, a gold rush, masses of prospectors with a dream of the good life will inevitably stampede toward it. And the e-learning or online education industry, also known as teaching online courses, is like the digital gold rush, but way bigger. The Klondike is said to have generated something like $1 billion in gold if you account for inflation. And to put that in perspective, the e-learning industry surpassed $165 billion in 2015, years ago alone. And that's only expected to grow. And boy, are prospectors stampeding their way in. Huge companies are established, and there are many people finding wealth, prosperity, and financial freedom by finding their slice of the pie. And to be totally transparent, I've found myself smack in the middle of this industry, and I've both benefited tremendously and failed just enough to learn from my mistakes moving forward. I'm even blessed with a few friends and colleagues who are among the success stories in the industry, and I get to learn from their journeys and mistakes as well. That said, with every successful online course creator, there are dozens of failed prospectors leaving worse off than they came. Why? What's the deal? How can we launch a successful business using the tools, resources, and options at our disposal today? Do we stampede and attempt to strike gold with online courses? Is it really that easy? I'd be a cruel liar if I told you that was the truth. It's not that easy. Despite what the Facebook ads, online gurus, and lifestyle entrepreneurs will tell you, there's an abundance of them out there, let me tell you that. I don't know how many online courses about how to make money selling online courses are out there now. I've lost count. In the gold rush, some of the wealthiest people weren't even the ones prospecting for gold. In fact, it was the men who sold pickaxes and shovels to the naive prospectors who became very rich. Here's the hard truth. Some people get lucky. Some people find a quick win and get out. Some people take advantage of others' naivety. For the rest of us, there are no shortcuts, hacks, or skipping the line. Creating success in your business is about service and how well you can serve others. Hard work, time, determination, and learning from failure are the vital ingredients to longevity and success in business, although they're not as glamorous or as attractive as finding a quick hack to make a quick buck. You see, we live in a culture where selflessness, consistency, integrity, and genuine hard work no longer interest people. They are appealing words in theory, but putting them into practice doesn't make for a good Insta selfie. Service no longer interests people unless it's self-service. I'm sure that 50% of the people watching this video or reading this message have already dropped off long ago because I've either offended them or they're no longer interested. Where's the hack? What about the quick win? Who are you to tell me what to do? Where's the secret? And that's fine by me. I know I'll never be able to grab the attention and serve everyone anyway, nor do I wish to. But you're still here, which tells me you're of a different breed. You are an anomaly, and I like that. Now, if you're willing to listen to what I have to share, I've written a few emails and filmed a few videos that I'm going to send to you over the next few days. And I believe they'll be genuinely helpful on your journey to planning your business, understanding how to avoid failure, what it takes to launch an honest and successful business from scratch in any niche, any industry, no matter your experience. So in tomorrow's email, I'm going to send you a video, and I'd like to share something with you slightly controversial, yet respectful, that's ruffled a few feathers with some of my audience and students. Of course, if you're not interested, you can always unsubscribe from these messages at the bottom of any email I send you. In fact, if you're not interested in me, what I have to share, starting a business, or improving your craft and creating a better life and living your purpose, then scroll to the bottom of my email and hit unsubscribe. That said, if you're still here, I'd actually love to hear from you. So in the email I just sent you, where you found this video, hit reply and introduce yourself to me. I'd like to get to know who you are. What's your deal? Do you have a dream to start a business? What's holding you back from doing that? Have you tried in the past? Let me know, and I'll do my absolute best to respond to you in a reasonable amount of time. Thanks for watching. Much love and peace to you. Cheers, and I'll catch you in the next video.